What's the fastest way to get faster? Lose some weight to your car. Okay, haha. If I just went to the gym, my car would be faster, I know. I'm a big guy, 6'5", 288 right now. So if I get down to like 235, yeah, that'd be pretty good. Pick up almost another 10th in the quarter mile, but because that's gonna take a while because gyms are still closed, I went the next best method. I replaced my battery. So this is my Diehard. This actually is not my factory battery. This is my third battery for the Lethal Camaro because they love to die on me. And it's also one of the reasons you're seeing these lights right here, because in all of my tracing and hunting down of what was killing my battery, well, those beautiful lights that I loved, they seem to be the culprit. No matter what I did or try to figure out, they continue to drain the battery. So I took them off, removed them. No, I'm not selling them to anybody because they'll do the same thing to your car and that's not cool. So yeah, they're gone, back to factory. I am looking for a set of smoke lights. I had a lot of people message me on Instagram. These will probably get swapped out to basically the lights I had before, but for all of those people that want to say I told you so, yeah, enjoy your victory. A second ago, and unfortunately I don't have a scale, but I can take this one home. The weight of that battery is posted online, so that's fine. I have that weight, so I can weigh that one to see what it is. But I mean, it's night and day difference. I mean, it's nothing compared to really heavy. So if you didn't know, your battery's in your passenger side of your trunk. There's a big metal bracket that latches it in position. There's two 13mm bolts, one really long one short one that basically stays in because it's got that little metal clippy washer thing. But yeah, just bolts right on down. So we'll put the new battery on, and luckily I believe, yeah, everything will just mount right back up to it. Now, the one thing I do have to figure out, what's up, LJ, is the battery tracker. So it's a Bluetooth, and it'll give you updates on the battery voltage and all that stuff with your app, as long as you're close to the car. So we'll hook this up, check it out. Mounts right in just like the factory battery. The only modification I had to do was on this plastic tray. So if you look at our batteries, there's two little pinholes right here that the plastic tray sits on. Well, this anti-gravity battery doesn't have those holes, so I had to cut off those little brackets, but allowed me to mount everything up and it was good to go. Now, the battery's been hooked up for 3 days now. No drain issues whatsoever. If you look at the app, it comes with a really cool app, 98%, 13.27 volts. Haven't had any issues. You can see it even has like a crank voltage that it constantly is updating on. So uses 12.02 volts. And the other cool thing was, and I don't know what we did with them. I don't know if I put them in here, if I took them home. I probably took them home. Let me go see if I can find it. So I can't find the controller, but there's a little controller. So in the battery is a built-in boost. So if it was below the 12 volts, you can either push the button on the thing, or there's a little controller that you can push the button. And we tested the distance on it. Mike can verify. I was at least, what? 3 feet. I mean, the car was there, and I was able to be outside the door over there. So some range.
I just messed it all up.
No, you didn't.
I messed it all up.
I'm gonna leave this all in here. You're good.
Yeah.
You guys don't know Mike, Red Barn Racing. Hey, this is his building.
Some of it.
So, wait, what?
There's the other side.
Well, the portion of it that is whatever.
Functional.
Wow. But anyways, the app, the push start, the biggest savings with the anti-gravity is the weight savings. So this battery is heavy. It's like 56 pounds. So that's what I looked up for the internet spec for this specific model number. This battery is 18 pounds. Big difference. The biggest problem is the price. So if you're looking for a cheap way to lose weight on your car, this is not it. It's like 25 bucks a pound. And that's not counting the lithium trickle charger. So I picked this up just in case I couldn't solve my issues and I needed to keep the battery charged. This was like 100 bucks, pretty expensive, but the app is a free download, works pretty easily, and now I don't need my jump starters. Like I got both of these ginormous jump starters. Don't need them anymore because my voltage is good. And I will say the cranking the car up to start is instantaneous. So we'll go ahead and do that so you guys can hear it. So it starts. Yeah, before you guys say it, I need to clean the exhaust tips. Still has C16 life. But there you have it. The most expensive way to lose some weight on your car. I like the idea of just starting somewhere. Again, obviously I could probably lose quite a bit of weight myself and help the car get faster, but yeah, it's getting there. Slowly but surely. Thanks for checking out the video. I did pick up the battery, paid full price for it at Cortez. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested in checking out these batteries. They're available pretty much everywhere, but Cortez got me mine really quick. So I'd hit them up if you're looking for it. So thanks for checking out the video. Until next time, guys, see you on the road.